All right, guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and we are here for another episode of the Healthy Swap. So today's Healthy Swap, we are gonna play on the sweet and savory of breakfast food. Today we're gonna be making a cinnamon sweet potato hash with peppered turkey bacon and a yogurt sauce. All right, guys, we have hopped on into the kitchen. So let's talk about ingredients and the other things that we need. So before we even get started, your oven needs to be prepped at 425. So it needs to be preheating while we're going through the steps. Then what you will need for the yogurt sauce, you'll need some Greek fat, non-fat yogurt, maple syrup. And then for the actual sweet potato hash, you'll need 1.5 pounds of cubed sweet potatoes, 6 slices of peppered turkey bacon, maple syrup, and coconut oil. And then you'll also need cinnamon. So those are pretty much the ingredients that you need. You probably will need spatulas to do this. Oh, and you also will need a sheet pan covered in foil. All right, guys, let's mix these ingredients and get this sweet potato hash. So the first thing you're gonna do is have your bowl. You're gonna need your coconut oil. And then what you wanna do is you're gonna take a spatula and make sure that it's evenly distributed. And then we're gonna take salt and pepper, and you just wanna make sure that that's coated. And the next step, you're gonna go ahead and put all the sweet potatoes all on the pan. And make sure they're spread out on here and get everything out. So I know you guys are wondering what makes this healthier. Jocelyn, potatoes are carb. Absolutely. They are a good carb. So I want to make sure you guys understand that it is okay to eat carbs. Even on a low carb diet, it's completely okay to do that as long as they are in moderation and they are actually healthy. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and put this in our 425-degree oven, and we'll be right back to make the sauce. All right, guys, so let's make our yogurt sauce. So there are 2 ingredients. We're gonna dump the Greek no-fat yogurt in. And this is just plain, guys. There's no vanilla. If you want a vanilla flavor, there's nothing the matter with that. But the recipe just calls for it to be plain. Maple syrup. And then I don't know if you guys have picked up, but we're definitely doing that play on a sweet and savory for breakfast. And then what you're gonna do is just mix this together. And you are done. You're just going to put this into the refrigerator until you're ready to eat, until that comes out the oven. All right, guys, we are back from out of the oven. So we're gonna go ahead and add the sweet and salty component to this. So the first thing you wanna do is get your sweet potatoes and distribute your maple syrup pretty evenly. You wanna make sure that pretty much everything gets covered, and do not waste. And we can do that. I'm gonna take a spatula and kind of move things around so everything gets covered. You just wanna make sure this gets covered. All right, guys, so pretty much we have a few over here they're being shy. All right, so the next step after we pour the maple syrup is we're going to take our cinnamon, and we want to try to get this as evenly distributed as we possibly can. And this will stick because of the actual maple syrup. Your sugar in this is going to be your maple syrup. So don't feel like you're gonna miss out on it, because you're really not, I promise. So we're gonna go ahead and spread this back out. And then we're gonna take our pre-cooked peppered turkey bacon. And we're just gonna spread that all over. We're just gonna give this a good toss and a good mix. And I know, guys, sometimes hash comes with other vegetables and different things like that. Well, I'm here trying to get you your protein and your healthy carbs. So we are not doing any type of vegetable in our hash. All right, we are here. This is just gonna go back into the oven for about another 10 to 15 minutes. And then we'll come back out, plate, put our yogurt sauce on top, and then we'll be absolutely done. All right, guys, I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, guys, we are back out of the oven. We are all crispy and toasty, and this is the way it should look. I am going to go ahead and plate this for you guys and show you how you can serve it to your family. If you have a family of 4, family of 5, family of 6, this is always great to serve platter style. People can just dip in and go. And then I'm going to also show you how you can incorporate the yogurt sauce into this as well. That'll give it that extra kick and sauce. Guys, the yogurt sauce too is an option. You don't have to do it, but it's always good to have something else that kind of that creamy to that sweet and savory that can actually help out this dish. All right, guys, we are here with the sweet and savory cinnamon sweet potato hash. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and we will see you on the next one. Don't forget to make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel because those things matter, and it kind of keeps the content coming of what you like and what you don't like.